bigger than that.
I'd still like to put it on that weather channel. Might have to do that. Let's see if I can get to the weather channel. Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay, the weather. Okay, what does it say? A severe thunderstorm watch. That's what it says.
Jeez, there's a truck with a funny. Oh, there goes a chair.
Severe thunderstorm watch. And when it says severe, it can have a tornado.
Is that our chair?
Where? Where? Did it take our white chair?
No. Or somebody else's chair.
Well, the sun's shining over on this side. I think it's over. Pretty much. But there is a severe thunderstorm watch. Isn't that fun to watch thunderstorms instead of sitting ourselves?
Yeah.
Oh, here. What's it doing now?
That's a bad wind.
Taking a picture of it?
Yeah. Oh, it tore some stuff off, but I don't know. Hope that's not our. Right there. Oh, it's ripping stuff off the neighbors. Boy.
It'll take you if you don't watch out.
Come
I
on,
got
over.
dirt in my eye.
Whew, just
Oh,
some bad wind.
Wow. First over that way. It's in the yellow and it's a, oh, what was that flew off the house? More shingles, I hope not.
No shingles yet for us. Maybe he fixed it good enough. That was a bad gust of wind. The whole thing looked brown, kind of.
Well, the drapes were going like this, like they were shaking. That's weird. Oh, look at that dark stuff hanging down.
Go look at the other side.
Oh, I hear sirens now. Oh, somebody must have got it worse.
Oh, yeah. Well, that was a big gust of wind.
I hear sirens. Look at that guy with those kids on the motorbikes. Oh. It's worse over that way. You know that?
Well, I'm trying to get a look without getting blown over.
Yeah, be careful, don't pick you up. Probably it's on somebody's roof or something.
Well, it ripped off somebody's roof.
Dead?
Yeah. Look at these trees.
You see the roof ripped up?
Well, remember, did you see that silver thing, tin?
It hit pretty good.
Look at those trees. They're almost breaking.
The sun is right there. Oh, that's a weird storm.
That sign is ready to go.
Which one? I think it's going over, but it's going somewhere else probably.
That was a big gust of wind. I don't see any
I think the worst is
shingles.
over with, isn't it?
I think this neighbor's gonna have an issue.
The next door one?
Yeah.
Why?
His roof is showing, he's lifting up a little heavy on the shingles.
These things were going like this, Dean. They were shaking.
Huh.
They were going like this.
Well, it died down some. I'm gonna go take a look at the damage and see if there's any. The temperature is getting mighty cold.
The most excitement is out this window.
Oh.
As long as we don't get too excited.
So what's going on outside this window?
Well, look at these clouds. Look at them.
Oh. Well, here, you can take pictures too.
Oh, I'm too nervous. You go ahead. The camper is still there. Thank you, God. Look at leaves off the trees laying there on the front of the stairs. Ooh, what's that? Listen. Was that you?
No. Uh-oh.
What was that?
That sounds like a roof falling off again. Look for tiles. Then it rains and then we all get soaked. See? Oh. You hear that?
That's our gate for one of these blowing. People's bells are blowing.
What's making that really rough sound? Like it sounds like tin.
Airplane. I hear an airplane somewhere.
Must be pretty windy for him.
Oh. Look at the paper. Did they deliver paper lately? That's what brought it on. Every time they deliver paper, the wind blows it. Boy, oh boy, got our attention anyway, that's for sure. We're here, we're watching this earthquake movie, and all of a sudden, the curtains, the drapes started doing her dance or something. Oh.
Is this ever a nice camera? It goes on for an hour or two.
Yeah?
You can record the whole thing.
Boy, oh boy. Oh.
Didn't even rock that camper and truck, eh?
Well, it didn't take
You
it
hear that?
anyway. What?
It's gonna take a quick.
Oh, it's got somebody's garbage blowing over there. Oh my gosh, look at those clouds there. Like it's like in a pipe or something.
Okay, which way are these ones going?
They all seem to be going that way anyway.
That's good. I'm watching for
Oh, oh. Gee, the cars sound funny when they go by. Wow. That was a wake-up call if I ever heard one.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. I keep looking over here at this. So I wouldn't want to be living over under that. It's probably worse over there.
You notice the coldness?
Yeah. Sounds like some tin or something. Maybe it's a gate. Gee. Dirt in my eye. Oh, look at that paper. Where's it coming from? Was there paper? Is this the day they bring the paper?
Look at the camper. Look at the camper.
Just rocking. There's the gate shut. It shuts and then it opens. Did you say you saw a chair going down the street?
Yep.
Wow. Is that ever wild over there though? Just look how rumbling that is. That is really something. I don't know what's overhead though.
Do you hear that?
What? Something banging?
Oh, look at the flashing on that house way down there.
Something splashing on the house?
Flashing is like the material you put on the end to cover all the wood. Right on that. Okay, next block over, that house there is the flat Liz that's flashing.
I'm gonna get a sweater on because
Very damaging wind.
boy is it ever.
I'm gonna see if it's died down a bit. I wanna see if it wrecked any of this house.
I bet you we got saved.
Hopefully.
Oh, God probably gave us a chance. Oh, just because.
See, look up there. His roof's damaged.
Whose roof?
Oh, cold.
What? I know I got a sweater on. Feels a lot better too.
Here, take this for a second. Just hold it with your fingers.
You gonna get a sweater? Oh.
Filmage. Look at this over here. This guy's losing his roof. His roof was ripped open.
Where's up on the very rooftop?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Those guys gonna have a house that leaks camping.
Yep.
We know what that's all about, don't we?
Oh, that was a little bit scary at the start. It was a little bit much,
Well,
but
we're watching an earthquake movie, Dean.
no, but like
I felt something rumbling and it went.
there's another roof going.
It is still.
Ours is flapping, but it's hanging on.
What the heck was he doing? Probably not a.
Those guys' roof is hanging on pretty good. That guy on the corner way up there, he's not doing so good. I think that chair went all the way down to the park.
Somebody can sit on it in the park.
That was sitting at somebody's doorstep.
Our sky is clear above our heads now. Just over that way. A paper doesn't want to go in.
How's the storm look over there?
Over there? Very kind of dark.
I'm getting kind of a musty smell. I think there are storms coming in now.
Oh, here's some really light, feathery. Look at these light, feathery clouds. Ugh, I got chilled.
Looks like there's to be some fixing. Oh, that's a big house to have problems, eh? They get a bit of a leak.
God spared us so far anyway.
Well, no, we're gonna have leaks if it gets worse. We got tiles lifting up right along the rooftop.
Oh. Like theirs over there?
Yeah, just like that. And the neighbor too. Oh,
What was that?
garbage is opening and closing.
Oh.
It's not garbage today, is it? No, that's
No, but what was that? Must have into their yard. Oh, there it goes. It's a car park.
Take a picture.
Well, thanks a lot for coming to my yard. I don't know if that door is somebody opened it or is it blowing open. These guys don't seem to be around here, do they? Even their doors and stuff.
Well, we got a record door.
On the door.
Nope.
See on camera and I'll take for sure that we were in. If we knew them, they would get me or not.
See that?
I think the problem with us is we do know them. You know what I mean? Oh. They must have left in hurry. You're not shut the door.
They never close it.
Probably oh, an airplane.
Where? That'd be a cool
I don't
Never where the sound is. Well, it must be those storm chasers that.
What's that? What was that?
Did you hear that? Sounded like pennies dropping.
Pennies falling from heaven. Oh. Hey, I won't blow away. I'm hanging on to myself. See?
Yeah.
I'm just as smart as that guy was about putting his hands on his head and the roof's falling in. I could say I'm hanging on to my head so I won't fly away.
Yeah.
This door will be off before you know it. And if any of us went over there and did that and saw us on camera, probably charge us with all kinds of stuff.
Trespassing, yep. No, you can't be helped
If
pulled
he
to
was
that.
somebody I knew and liked and everything, I would go do something.
Oh, no.
Wait. I'd shut his
Oh,
door.
if you were related to them or you knew them really well, then yeah, you'd do something.
No wonder it hasn't lifted his plants all the way. They're still sitting there anyway.
You want to see something near miss? Look over here. See that basketball net?
Oh, yeah. It's over.
Yeah. Those must be those storm chaser planes, or I don't know. Every time there's a storm, those guys are up.
I can hear them, can't you?
Yeah, they're always chasing around in these big storms. Ooh.
Whoa, that. So a cardboard came to visit us.
It's going to be leaving too pretty quick.
That's the worst over there.
I got no insurance on that camper and no insurance on the truck. I got insurance on the truck, but it's not for us. If we damage something else. But if the weather damages us, I got no insurance. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That sucks. We're good if we damage something, but we're not good if this weather damages something of ours.
I wonder if this is going to go on all night. You know, I thought I saw a flash earlier, and I thought, oh, must be sunlight catching me near on a car or something. And no, I don't think so. I was like, that's an art. There's freaking news. Oh boy. Sitting there watching it. As I got blown away. Oh.
Just a tad windy out. I wonder what the sirens are all about, eh? I guess that wind is strong enough to do something.
Now the roofers are going to be busy again.
Oh yeah, look at that over there. That's ripped up.
It's working on it. It hasn't like blown it off of it.
Some of the flashing came off some of the houses. What is that noise?
I know.
pigeons trying to hide. Find a nice place to tuck itself in.
Doesn't even look so bad over there anymore. Sure is still windy though. Wind's coming from some kind of a cloud or something. Look at this light. Look at these light clouds. Look at this. Dean, look at these light clouds coming over.
Watch yourself.
What?
You get a big strong wind, you might get a chunk of metal in the head or something. Always check out where the wind's coming from.
No, I was telling you, a bunch of light fluffy clouds are going over.
Yeah. Oh, look at them travel.
Yeah. It shows you which way it's going in, right?
It's all going that way. What was that tinkling sound? It sounded like a penny coming.
I don't know, I heard something go plump. For sure. That shoe will never leave us though. It is with us forever. I'm gonna go look out the other door and see.
This is some good footage.